In part 1, we removed all of the non-working components from the Compaq, designed and fit our custom panels, and brought the modern hardware to life. In part 2, we removed damaged power supply circuitry, installed a new power supply input with a voltage meter, and fit a quieter cooling fan. We also completed the internal electrical system, adding both 5 and 12 volt regulators and a battery, making our Compaq truly portable. In this episode, we're going to fit internal stereo speakers, mirror internal and external displays, configure and install a thermostat to regulate internal air temperature, design and fit custom bezels, convert the original brightness control to adjust sound volume, center Batocera menus and emulation cores, and give them a quick play test. Now, Neo is happy with the integrated power rails. It's time to install the USB stereo speakers and HDMI display splitter. To regulate the Compaq's internal temperature, let's configure the thermostat and wire it to the fan so it only runs when it needs to. With all essential systems sorted, let's close up those LCD bezel gaps using our custom design and 3D printed fillers. After removing the LCD panel, it's clear we applied too much pressure when mounting the front fascia, cracking the thin glass layers where the bezel fillers made contact. So we'll try that again with a replacement screen, and this time without forcing the fascia into place. To sort out the speaker volume, we'll check the original control to see if that can be repurposed. As it also supplies power to the USB speakers, we'll have to find another way. Now that everything's sorted, let's test the volume control, set Batocera's screen and core settings, add the game ROMs, and give our new Compaq portable system a proper play test. Next time on Retro Relix, the final job is to connect the original keyboard to the Pi 5 using a Pi Pico microcontroller.